Welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on our arms. 5 minutes short, intense arm workout that you can do every day for the next 14 days. You just need your beautiful self and you need little space around you. And if while we're working out together, you get tired, it's okay to take a little rest, all right? And then get right into it and you will get stronger as the days go by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First exercise for our arm circles. So let's go. So you're just taking your arms this way. Little kitty circles, little circles. So you're bringing them forward. But as you do, don't make them lousy this way, okay? Make it firm. Just imagine like you're carrying dumbbells or something in your arms and make it really firm. So you can just go round this way. So each exercise is 30 seconds and then we'll switch to something else. But if there's a pair, then we'll just sort of switch to the other side. So this is a pair, for example. So just take it back. So keep your hands firm, just take it back. Take it back. Yes, you can. Keep going, inhaling and exhaling. So how are your arms feeling? Like, okay, I think I'm beginning to feel the burn. Stay with it. We're just down almost 1 minute. So we have 4 minutes to go, but you can do it. Okay, next, cross in front of you. Keep your arms steady. Make sure to breathe, remember? Inhale, exhale, and just go up and down like so. Yeah, so this is a set as well, because we're going to flip it up. We're going to do the same thing, but this time our palms are facing the ceiling. 10 seconds to go. And flip it. Yeah. So when you get to this point, it's like, oh my God, what's going on? You're working your arms, trust me. You'll love it. Keep going. My arms are on fire. Keep going. Almost there. Yes. So the next thing we're going to do is a tricep kickback. So just come here, up, down. Good. Keep going. Beautiful. Almost there. How are you feeling? And the next thing comes this way. Up and down, up and down. Good job. Up, down. Beautiful. Down, up, down. Excellent. Up, down. Keep going. Up, down. How are you feeling? Up, down. And if you don't know, just say with me. Up, down. Okay, now twist this way. Yeah, just imagine you're trying to like twist the ball. Yes, that's it. Keep going. Yeah, almost there. How are you feeling? Okay. Next thing we're going to do, quick pulses. So just pulsing this way. Alright? Squeezing. Take your hands this way. Just squeeze. Whatever you feel comfortable doing is fine. I know. Yes. Almost there. Ooh. Keep going. And then to finish strong, we're just going to go pump it down. 15 seconds of pumping down, 15 seconds of pumping up, 15 seconds of pumping forward, 15 seconds of pumping backward. Ready? We're doing this. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, and then we're switching up. So pump up. Keep your arms really firm and pump it up. Pump it, pump it, pump it up. hope you're breathing. Woo! And now we're going to pump it forward. Yes. Pump it forward. Stay strong. We're almost done now, so you cannot quit on me. You heard me? Stay with it. We have about 15 seconds and pump it back. Yeah. Woo! Good job. Yes. Burn, burn. Come on, almost there. 3, 2, 1. Yes! We did it! Oh my goodness. All right, this is where you stretch this way. Just give your arms a little. Yeah. To the back. You can also sit to the front. Oh, beautiful. Shrug your shoulders back and take it forward. Thank you so very much. Please share my video with your friends and everyone you feel needs to see this. It helps my channel to grow, and it helps us to also grow a community of people who are fitter, healthier, and happier. That's it for today. I will be back next time and with something also pretty interesting for you. Until then, be fit, stay fab, and delight to your dream. Signing out. Mwah.